All right, Nick, what are they doing?
They're actually going to connect to the roof with these. They're like modified roof or ceiling hooks. After we build the ceiling, they flip it back over and they put the paper down so that stage two doesn't actually have to climb up there and roll that out. It's a little dangerous. So um, now they're going to hook this up, have the hooks on both ends, and we're going to lift the whole thing up and then move it right over, set it down. We'll have a couple of guys making sure all the corners are square and in line, make sure our wires don't get caught or pinched, and then they'll go ahead and fasten it together with long lag bolts and nails. Should take maybe around 15 minutes in total. Oh, we got to plate off, otherwise the house isn't exactly going to. We use those plates, one on either end, to actually lift that whole wall up and set it into place. They just forgot to take it off when they were done. ¿Ya pegó allá, Juan? Yeah, lined up. Déjalo, tornillo acá, espérenme, no lo mueva. No, ahí está bien. Ahora sí, bájale, bájale. Acá está parejita.